Only 1% of all the water in the world is safe for you to drink. Only 1%. But there's so much water in the world. What about the rest? It's true that the water is covered more than 70% of our planet. But most of it is ocean water, is sea water, and it's too salty for us to drink, too unsafe for us to drink and use. So only 1% of all the water in the world is safe for you to drink. And without safe water, we all cannot survive. And we are running out of water. Water is almost everything. We use water not only for drinking to survive, we use it for almost everything in our life, starting from producing energy, food, clothes, medicines, computer, car, or even your phone. So it's almost everything. We are running out of water. In the next 10 years, by 2028, the world will be consuming 40% more water. The math doesn't work well here. We already running out of water, and we are consuming it more at the same time. By 2025, which is only a few years away, 2/3 of the world population, that this whole section of the audience will not have enough water to survive. So this is very unacceptable. Look at this water. This is water that looks clean, but you really cannot drink it. Actually, this water can be taken out of the lake, of the river, but you have to be careful. You cannot really drink it, because if you put it under the microscope, there are lots of bad stuff you don't want that could make you sick, like a bacteria, virus. So what does this mean? It means that not even 1% of the water in the world that are available to us is safe, is drinkable. What if we could make a seawater that we do have a lot drinkable? Watch. Right now, we can filter seawater or unclean water to make it drinkable and safe for us to use. It's still two processes. One's called thermal distillation. This is a fancy word. Basically, you're boiling a lot of bad stuff and you keep only clean stuff separately. And the process is also require a lot of heat. There's still a little slightly more complicated process which we don't have to get into now. It's called reverse osmosis. The process, the technology itself also require a lot of energy. So you have to use a lot of pressure in the process. So far, these two technologies work, but they have some problem. They are energy intensive and they are very expensive. We have a better solution and I'm going to share with you all today. On the left, this is the typical filter. It's just like a coffee filter. You pour to the thin piece of paper. All the impurity, the bad stuff, stay on the top of the filter, and the clean stuff pass through, and this is a typical membrane of filter. But on the other side, we design a new super thin membrane. So this membrane is much thinner than the old technology. And not only that, it allows only water to pass through the membrane, but it rejects the salt molecule, which is bigger and is too fat to get through the filter. So we create the new membrane, and this new membrane is very desirable. It's new and improved. Why? Because we can filter water faster, and that's very helpful because people are drinking more water, consuming more water. We need, remember a few moments ago, I'm sharing with you all, in the next 10 years, we're gonna need 40% more water. We need to filter water faster, and our membrane that I have developed can do that job. The membrane also stays cleaner longer. All the dirt, the impurity that we filter out don't clog the membrane like the others, and it lasts longer. It's also very durable, so you don't have to replace it all the time, which is a very positive sign. So we also, in order to get that characteristic, we design the materials. We change to the new materials. We change the shape, and we change the membrane structure that I'm going to share with you all in detail in the next few slides. But let's have a look how our filter works. In the middle, this is the process. In the middle is our filter. On the top of it, there's seawater, and beneath our filter, there's another liquid that acts like magnet. And this liquid magnet will help to suck all the seawater through the membrane, but it takes only clean water and left the salt molecule on the other side of the membrane. And after that, this magnetic liquid that carry water will easily separate and simply recirculate back to draw more water. In this way, we get a lot of clean water, a lot of it very quickly, and tastes delicious. Our technology uses less energy, and we need that. Less chemical, and at the end of the day, our technology is less expensive compared to the expensive current technology we are using today. This is what we have. We have a better filter, and it's named MFT, Membrane Filtration Technology. It's a membrane, the membrane that helps to filter water, and as a technology part, it's a very smart filter. We only make 3 innovations, but they are hugely important. We simply change the shape of the filter from the flat sheet of paper to a hollow fiber. We change the new materials so that the membrane, the filter, don't clog much like the others. And we change the way how we make the filter more durable and high quality in a larger scale. Let's have a look. So this is a typical filter. It's a flat sheet of paper from the old technology, but we change it to a different shape, the hollow. So it's just like a drinking straw in my hand. So, but it's smaller. But in this way, it's large. They are stronger. They can stand on their own. They last longer, and they can filter water faster. And this is the microscopic close-up of what our filter looks like. So the filter have a very super thin membrane, and if you think your hair is already thin, our membrane is 50 times thinner than a human hair, and this is incredible. So this is how our future is being made in the factory. So it's very scalable. You can just copy them, copy them, copy them. You can produce millions of future, so it's scalable. And the process, the way that we make it, is consume less energy and also less solvent, less chemical compared to the current technology. So this is better for our environment. Let's talk about in terms of productivities. So this is how much the current technology can help to filter water. But with the MFT, we can double the rate of the water being produced. So, and this really helpful and very important. Remember, in the next 10 years, 2/3 of the audience, you're also gonna needing that. What about the cost? Our technology, MFT, can help to produce 1,000 liters of water, and it costs only 64 cents, which is 20 baht in Thai. So it's 15% less expensive compared to the current technology. This is very significant and positive. What I encourage you today is to do what I did. I acted small. I did so tiny changes to a small future. But I thought about the larger implications who I could help. I choose water because water will save our world. And after that, I also thought about the other industries. MFT have a potential to filter all any liquid we want. MFT can help to be a part to produce apple juice, beer, wine, any beverage, any liquid. So MFT can help to make a benefit cause the whole industry to a different industry. This can be used for producing medicals, food, or even the biofuel. So whatever any industry that require the liquid separation and purifications, MFT could help. And with that MFT technology, that is what I have been working with my current company, Coke Membrane System. So we apply the MFT technology and across all the industry. So all the industry that have the liquid, so we can help that. You can do it too. By acting small, you can make a big differences, a huge differences. Looking at what I did with the MFT, we are changing the humanity. We have figured it out, the way to increase the water supply for the next generation, for our children, and for everyone. And after that, the MFT could help and be part of the solution for other industry, for the different industry, to make a better products, to improve the quality of life, and to make a better future for everybody. What small changes can you do in your current projects, in your business, that could have a huge global impact, like MFT? You can do it as much as we did it. My name is Panu, and this is my email address. I'd like you to email me if I can help you. I want you to do the same thing I did. Take your current projects, whatever you're working on, can you do small little changes? Small little changes that could have a massive impact. It could have changed from the current industry you're looking at to a different industry you might never consider before. All you need to do is two things. Small little changes. Can I act small like me and think big? If I can do it, you can do it too. And next year, I want to see some of you up on the stage sharing your technology, your innovation, and your idea to the world. Thank you very much, and good luck.